Alright guys, just bringing you this video. We have a new crystal in the game. I found this in master mode upon completion, not exploration. It comes with everything else that normally came, but now check this out. We're gonna go open this real quick because, I'm curious. Go away, offer. Go away. Go away. I am curious what is in this crystal. Oh. Remember, always claim your crystals, especially when they're free. Alright, what is in this? Let's see. 3 and 4 stars, so there's not 2 stars like in the other questing crystal. Let's see. Tap it. What do we get? Hey, a free 4-star. I'll take that. 5-star shards for free any day. Just for playing a little bit. Alright. What all came out of that? We got gold ISO battle chips. And this. What is this? So we got a tier 2 class catalyst. Huh. Alright, well, there's the new crystal. Y'all have a good day.